How to Handle Anxiety and Stress, backed by psychology and neuroscience. Everyone experiences anxiety and stress, but when it lingers or starts to control your day, it can feel like you're trapped inside your own nervous system. You've probably heard all the advice: breathe deeper, think positive, go for a walk. But none of that matters if you don't understand what anxiety really is and how it hijacks your mind and body. In this video, we'll explore the psychology and neuroscience of stress and anxiety and how to actually handle it, not just cope with it. Anxiety is not weakness. It's not irrational. It's not just in your head. Anxiety is your body's intelligent but overactive threat detection system. It's your brain trying to protect you, even if the danger isn't real. The amygdala, your brain's fear center, fires off alarm bells. Your prefrontal cortex, responsible for logic and long-term thinking, gets hijacked. Cortisol floods your system. Your breathing quickens, muscles tighten, heart races. This is your body preparing to run or fight. But in modern life, there's no saber-toothed tiger. Just emails, traffic, breakups, bills, and uncertainty. Your body is sounding an alarm, but there's no fire. And that's what makes anxiety so exhausting. You're stuck in a false emergency with no clear way out. Why we stay stuck in it? You'd think knowing it's false would help, but anxiety doesn't respond to logic. It responds to safety. And when your nervous system doesn't feel safe, your brain starts to loop. What if something goes wrong? Why do I feel this way? I need to fix this now. This creates a cycle. You feel anxious, you resist it, that resistance creates more tension, and the anxiety deepens. This is why we stay stuck, because we fight the feeling instead of listening to the message underneath it. Here's the truth. You can't outthink anxiety. You have to outfeel it. What actually helps, according to science? Let's talk about what actually works, according to psychology and neuroscience. 1. Name it. Don't shame it. Studies show that labeling your emotions reduces activity in the amygdala and increases regulation from the prefrontal cortex. In other words, saying, "I'm feeling anxious," actually makes your brain calmer. Try, "This is anxiety. My body thinks I'm in danger, but I'm safe right now." That shift alone creates distance. It helps you become the observer, not just the reactor. 2. Ground in the body. When you're anxious, you're living in the future. Bring yourself back to the now through the body. Simple techniques like 5-4-3-2-1 sensory grounding, progressive muscle relaxation, box breathing, inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4, putting cold water on your face to activate the vagus nerve. These aren't tricks. They're nervous system resets. They tell your body, you're safe. 3. Don't escape the feeling, make space for it. In acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, one core teaching is suffering equals pain, resistance. Anxiety is a normal emotion, but when you resist it, fight it, suppress it, numb it, it gets louder. Instead, imagine the feeling like a wave. Let it pass through rather than building a wall against it. Try saying, "This feeling is uncomfortable, but I can be with it. It's rising. It will fall. I don't have to like it. I just have to allow it." This reduces the double suffering of judgment and panic. 4. Choose your response, not your reaction. Your thoughts during anxiety will lie to you, but your actions can guide you back to truth. Choose a small grounding action. Step outside, drink water, text a friend, write a sentence, take one mindful breath. Action breaks the loop. Not big action, any action. It reminds your nervous system that you're not helpless. Ancient wisdom meets modern mind. Modern neuroscience is now confirming what ancient traditions taught centuries ago. The Stoics believed we suffer more in imagination than in reality. But they also taught not to ignore fear, but to meet it. Buddhism teaches that suffering comes not from pain, but from attachment and aversion. When we fear a feeling and try to escape it, we multiply it. And Viktor Frankl, a psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor, wrote, "Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom." That's the heart of handling anxiety. Not erasing it, but creating space between you and it. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or stuck, pause. Not to fight the feeling, but to feel it safely. Your anxiety is not proof that something is wrong with you. It's proof that your nervous system is trying to keep you safe. But you're allowed to retrain that system. You're allowed to pause, breathe, and choose differently. You don't have to fix your anxiety. You just have to stop making it the enemy. And in that space, you find your power.